Okay, adventures ahead here, and we're doing a tour of 11382 and the Carnival celebration. So as you walk into the door, you'll see that you need a card to do all power to the room, and that there's a couple different light switches that control different lighting throughout the cabin.
I really like the layout of this room. There's a lot of space. We're showing you the closet. We did already unpack, unfortunately, but yeah, there's a lot of closet space. The shelves move. There's cupboard space. There's these nice drawers down here for shoes and stuff. There's metal baskets. You got your little safe in here, which is great.
Yeah, overall the closet space is really great. Lots of places for folded clothes, and you can change it so there's more room for hanging clothes. There's a full-length mirror you'll see right there. And yeah, overall we thought this was really great for us and what we needed.
And next up is the bathroom. We're going to be walking in here. And the part that we didn't like is the room between the toilet and the sink there. You can see it's pretty tight. And not as much shelving space for your items in there. The shower is great though. We do love the shower. There's a lot of room in there, I feel like. And I do like the addition of the door. And on this shower, the water pressure was not great for our room.
But the nice thing is the shower water stays in the shower.
That's right.
As we move into the living room, you'll see that there's USB adapters next to the bed, as well as lights, and then those little holders so you can charge your phone when you're sleeping, and if you have a book or something, you can rest it there. There's also those lights that control the cabin and the middle of the bed.
That's really nice, but sometimes my pillow hit them and I turned the lights on at like 3 a.m. one time.
As you can see, the walls are magnetic. We use those hooks to help us organize the room. It is a bit tight between the bed and the wall.
Yes, I agree.
I ran into the bed several times. This light, though, and mirror was super nice.
And that vanity space is very nice, too.
This drawer space came in really handy. As you'll see, we have tons of stuff in these drawers. But we just love all the storage that the room itself has.
Yes, those shelves are nice.
The next thing that we're going to look at is this ottoman. So this ottoman's pretty sweet. Lots of other Carnival ships don't have it, but it's somewhere to sit. It's also someplace that you can store things inside, as you can see. And it's also a tray. So we set some food on it when we ordered room service to our room.
The mini fridge is it's very nice. I like the design of this better than other where it doesn't have a door on it. They really did good here.
It is cooler. Keep things cooler. And then the balcony. So this is technically an extended balcony. This was pretty small compared to other extended balconies that we've had before. So we were a little disappointed with the size of the balcony. But as you can see, there is tons of room still.
Yeah. Yep. It still is very spacious. But we've had an extended balcony before where it was a lot bigger than that. It felt like that anyway.
Thanks for watching, and check out one of these other videos. Bye.
Bye-bye.